All right, so after we tried it out, it didn't work. So sorry, LG. No, I'm recording this. All right, so we're not yet.
Okay.
God damn it. Okay, so we have this old LG air conditioner, and it's kind of broken. Though we tried it out, so I'm gonna start smashing it first. No, I already said first.
And now we have new contestants, new people, new friends and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Okay.
Once you're done hitting it.
I'm gonna start smashing the coils.
How is he gonna film down there?
I got the camera on.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
All right, I'm gonna start.
Get it when you're done.
It's smoking. I know.
That's a bunch of dust. That's just dust.
Shit.
Let me get it, bro. Let me try.
Hold on. Hit it from the top. Smashing the fan part. No, give me that back. Give me that back. I wanna hit it. Go. Wait, we're blocking the camera.
Wait! Wait. Bring it back in chat.
No, I won't break the back. Oh, I broke the back. What? Yeah. Oh, man. That's how I felt weird in my hand. Alright. Actually, we want it. Yeah, look at the oil. Bruh. Oh. Look at how the way he smashed the foils. Alright, give me the bat. I know how to.
Wait, can I try hitting it with the bat?
Here.
Wait,
Andrew.
Gio, let me get the bat.
Wait.
I never hit it with the bat.
Can you wait?
Please.
I said wait. Ow. Okay. I'm gonna start by doing this. Oh, and I actually want to see what's inside of this thing. That's the best part. Alright, you go do it.
Are you trying to see what's inside?
Yeah.
I don't want it to break.
Just do it. Trust me.
Why don't you use this to try and get inside the coil?
Can I have a try?
Here, Yosmani. Alright, let Yosmani do it.
Wait. Let him do it.
Let him do it. He's stabbing it. Give me a minute. I'm not gonna do nothing on this. Give me. Damn.
That bat's completely destroyed. Yo, try not to destroy it, because that's my nephew's.
Oh, I got an idea.
Don't use this no more, because it's my nephew's. And my mom said not to.
Here, how about we use this thing?
Oh, yeah.
Watch out though, when it bounces back, because that nails.
Can I step on it?
Yo, who wants to use this?
Pretty sure nobody does, especially the.
This is like a stress reliever. Oh, shit.
That's like
I
metal.
want to feel it. That's like that thing does not work. LG, as known as lousy garbage.
Wait, stop it. Move. Wait, I'm gonna touch it.
Move.
Go.
I'm Harry Potato. Bar.
Piece of shit. Wait, you can barely see inside of that thing.
I'm gonna try smashing this side.
All right, go.
To
Do
see
it.
if the metal.
I wonder if there's anything that's metal, so I can smash that thing like that.
Look, why don't we break the other side?
Yeah, this one's plastic.
Right here.
That one. That's the filter.
Alright, there's stop something.
I know how to open it. Ow.
Broken it back?
Wait, let me open it.
We broke the back. That's it. It's broken. So we have to break it already. I feel like the back's gonna break and fly back.
At your face. And I feel like that thing is gonna go on my eye.
Yeah, it's already broken.
Go hit it on that thing. Stop. Hit it with all your strings.
Go pull it. It'll break.
Ow! Sorry.
I'll hold it.
Break this one here.
Wait, I got it.
Here you go.
No one told you nothing that it's too loud.
It doesn't matter. Nobody cares.
And you'll never find out anyway.
Sorry.
Once I hit
Go.
that's something I'm running.
Yeah, once I hear that this.
Here, hold this. Make sure to face on
Wait,
that.
how old are you?
14.
14. So he's as old as you, Angel.
How old are you?
He's 14. He just turned 14
Wait, is
yesterday.
this the filter or the coil?
That's a coil.
move,
More
stop
coil.
That's a filter.
That's filter and coil. Rip more of the thing off.
Like that. Hold on. Yeah, I know. Ow.
Wait, look at it.
Look, do it right
Give
here.
me that. Give me that freaking gun.
Once I get my airsoft gun, we can shoot it.
Look at
Just imagine the machine gun.
rip into
Do you
here.
even have those airsoft machine guns?
Whoa. God. Alright, you already broke it. Wait. I know what to smash.
Oh, it broke.
Here, Yoswani, hold this.
Broke it.
Alright, I'm gonna smash the.
Oh my.
Oh, look, it's about to come off. It's about to pop off.
Oh, yeah.
Let me look inside. Victory scream! Wait, let me look inside.
Oh, it's the fan. That's where the fan is at.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, indeed.
Oh, you almost hit us. Don't zoom in. Wait, stop. Everybody stop.
We're at the fan.
Let me try and
Okay,
spin the...
let me look inside.
I can barely spin the fan.
Use a flashlight to see what's in there more.
Just bend it in.
Everything.
Oh.
Stay back.
And they just destroyed the fan completely.
Yeah, that is
What's that? Wait, put your foot right there. Just put your foot down. Oh!
Christ!
Holy crap.
That's a stupid looking jutsu.
Christ,
Wow.
you're very strong.
Holy crap, dude. This is foam.
What the hell? What am I?
Wait, why is this foam?
Yeah, the phone did.
Yeah.
It's my mom. I gotta go home.
Alright, bye. Bye, Yoswani. Alright. Dude. Wow, that's the... You know why they put the foam? Because in there, that's where the reversing valve is and the compressor.
Here, look at this.
We gotta know what's inside of that thing.
Give me it. I'm throwing it up on the roof.
So much dust. Look at that.
Alright, give me that. Here, you wanna hold it? Because I think he's kind of bad.
Use a couple rocks.
No, wait.
What's the guys?
What?